Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very pretty collection of Arani model fancy soft silk sarees. In this collection, throughout the body is having plus and minus thread weaving design along with a contrast chit pallu and a contrast plain blouse. The double layered border enhancing the elegance of these collections, and this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even shipping charges fee from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Also, if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links are there in the description. And kindly avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Also, please note our payment mode is through online. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.